So I know a guy with a Jeep, and he's doing some work to it, and he wanted to put some letters on the back that say EUROTREKKER. And he had found a font and a design that he liked online, but what was available didn't spell out what he wanted. So he asked me if I could make these letters for him. I told him I'd give him a try. So what I'm doing here is just a piece of 1/4 inch stock using a 3/8 inch regular end mill. We're getting rid of the majority of the material around the letters, and also these letters are going to have a curved face, so we're hogging out as much as I can so that I can finish it up with a ball end mill. You can kind of see the facets and the reflection there. So here's a 1/2 inch ball end mill. As we zoom in, you can see it's putting a nice profile on that face. They're curved from top to bottom. They look pretty good. You can still feel a little bit of the ridges from the ball end mill, so we'll have to address that. But they're pretty much done. Now I'll just cut out the profile with a small end mill, leaving some holding tabs. We can break it off with a parent stock and finish those edges. Shouldn't be a problem. And here they are. I put a orbital sander, like a random DA, to it to knock down the ridges that were on the face, and some tumbling media. I found these somewhere. I don't know anything about them, but when I go to replace them, I hope I can find something similar, because they sure work well. And here it is after being tumbled for about 4 hours. This is just a regular rock tumbler that I picked up. I think I might have used too much soap here. But I let it run for 4 hours because I figured I better check on it, make sure it's not eating away too much of that letter. And it was okay, but it could go for some more. So I popped them back in there and let them run for another 4 hours. And here's what they look like after a total of 8 hours. And they look good. They look real nice, but they don't feel the way I want them to. I found some media. I'm not even sure where it came from, but it's little plastic pellets. These things here, and they don't really smooth out the face. It's hard to explain. It almost feels like they make the material feel softer after I tumble it in them. And it's very little effect on the way it looks. It just feels different. So anyway, this is after tumbling in the plastic media for about 4 hours. No, actually 8 hours for these. That's right. So it was 2 4-hour tumbles in the regular triangle stuff, and then 8 hours in this plastic stuff. And here they are, all laid out and finished, ready for me to turn over to them. I think he's either going to polish them or paint them, one of the two. Put some double-faced tape on the back and put them on his Jeep. But anyway, they turned out pretty good. More work than I thought they'd be. I got way more time into them than I anticipated. But anyway, it was a good learning experience and kind of fun at the same time. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.